So we're working on a Jasper 350 here. I called Jasper, they couldn't tell me anything about it because the number has expired out of their warranty system. So we're gonna try and find out if it's a 2-bolt or 4-bolt. I've already got all the bolts out, pan's loose. So it's a 2-bolt or 4-bolt? And it's 2. And as a bonus, here's a piece of the dipstick. I was really hoping for a 4-bolt, but it'll be alright. Well, upon further inspection, I found another piece of dipstick in the pan, but it doesn't appear to have caused any damage. Now over here we've got some marks. I don't know what the L or the J stands for, but there's the mark that it's 60 thousandths overbore. She looks like she's in nice shape. The skirts on this one look pretty good. There's a little couple of marks on this one. But I pulled a valve cover the other day and the heads are just clean. So I don't think there's many miles on this rebuild. Now this motor came out of my buddy's 79 Corvette. We took it out to put in a hotter small block. And when he found out this wasn't the original motor, he's just like, well, screw that motor. So I ended up with it. So where, oh where, might we put that 350? Where indeed should we put that 350? Yeah.